Once your itinerary starts taking shape, you can easily customize both its structure and its content. To rename a day, simply click the pencil icon next to the day title and enter a new name. You can drag and drop elements within the same day, between different days, or reorder entire days by dragging and dropping them. Whenever you move a day, Traveltree automatically updates the corresponding dates and weekdays, ensuring that your itinerary always stays accurate and synchronized. To edit the detailed content of a day or an individual element, simply click on the word day, day name, or use the preview icon at the top of the page. This opens the preview mode where you can fully customize your proposal. Here, you can add or replace the day's cover image, write a general description for the day, edit element descriptions, add or modify start times and durations, attach files and travel documents, store booking or confirmation numbers, add tourist instructions or other important information about added activities for your clients. The preview mode allows you to transform a simple itinerary into a polished, client-ready proposal while keeping all operational details organized in one place.